How to log into Kaiser Permanente account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log into Kaiser Permanente account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into your Kaiser Permanente account, it's actually quite very simple to do. All you have to do is type in Kaiser Permanente login on your browser. Then you'll find the first link there that says sign into kp.org. Then you can simply go ahead and select that first link, or I'll make sure to drop this direct link in the description. Now you'll come to the sign in page where you will need your user ID and password. So if you don't have created an account, you can tap on register account option, or you can enter your user ID and you can also save your user ID, so you don't have to enter the next tab. Enter the password. If you don't know what password you've typed in, you can tap on this icon here, tap on the sign in, and if your credentials are correct, you'll be successfully signed in. Or you can just tap on the forgot user ID or password if you happen to forget your details. So I hope that this video helped you as to how you can log into your Kaiser Permanente account. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.